Justice V. Ramasubramanian, chairperson of the NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, emphasized the importance of authentic data to address the challenges faced by children in conflict with the law. Speaking at a core group meeting in New Delhi, he highlighted the need to constitute a working group of experts to verify data, especially regarding age and numbers, in coordination with agencies like NCRB, BPRD, and NALSA. He also called for state-wise meetings involving juvenile justice boards and legal services authorities to enhance rehabilitation efforts. Justice Ramasubramanian recommended dividing suggestions into long-term and short-term measures such as statutory amendments, rule changes, or SOPs. Referring to UNICEF's 2007 report, he advocated for diversion programs that emphasize reconciliation and reintegration without creating criminal records. These programs could include victim-offender mediation, community service, and circle trials. NHRC Secretary General Bharat Lal reiterated the Commission's commitment to child rights and stressed the importance of viewing juveniles as victims of circumstances. He called for better rehabilitation programs to reintegrate children into society. Experts provided several recommendations, including creating a portal for anonymized data, appointing child protection officials in every state, strengthening legal aid, conducting social audits of child care institutions, and increasing funding for rehabilitation programs. The Commission will deliberate further on these suggestions to improve the juvenile justice system and safeguard the rights of children in conflict with the law.